Members of the New England Innocence Project are calling for a new trial for a Springfield man who was convicted of murder back in the 1980s.
Lawyers for Edward Wright say he's been wrongly imprisoned for more than 30 years.
And 22 News reporter Kiara Smith joins us live in Springfield tonight with an update on that case.
Nick, Ciara, Edward Wright has been in jail for over 39 years, and he filed his 6th motion for a new trial.
We believe that justice was not done in Mr. Wright's case, and his conviction must be overturned.
In 1984, Penny Anderson was murdered at her apartment in Springfield. She had been stabbed more than 60 times. And in 1985, a Superior Court jury convicted Edward Wright, finding him guilty of first-degree murder. But members of the New England Innocence Project say he did not commit the crime and that there is evidence to prove his innocence.
We can tell you that there were at least 2 suspects that the police never fully investigated, one of whom threatened to harm the victim the night she was murdered, tried to sell a knife days after her murder, lied about his alibi, and later confessed to murdering the victim twice.
In the case, prosecutors said that Wright left Club 418 with Anderson, went back to her apartment, and stabbed her multiple times. They also said his shoes matched bloody footprints in Anderson's apartment and that blood was found inside the car he was driving.
His jury never knew that there was DNA evidence supporting his innocence. The jury never knew that they were lied to by an investigating police officer about the integrity of the crime scene and the reliability of the evidence.
In a statement to 22 News, the Hampton District Attorney's Office said several years ago and prior to today's filing, the Hampton District Attorney's Office assented to and conducted a forensic review which did not reveal any new evidence questioning the integrity of this conviction. And the DA's office says that they will review his filing and that they will present it in court. Working for you live in Springfield, Kiara Smith, 22 News.